Unlocking financial freedom, 10 basics for beginners. Investing in your financial future can seem daunting. But with the right basics, it's as simple as making your morning coffee. First, understand your income and expenses. A clear picture of your finances is the first step towards smart financial planning. Next, set realistic and achievable goals. Be it a vacation, a new car, or retirement, make sure your finances are aligned with your dreams. Thirdly, save before you spend. This is a golden rule in financial planning. Always put aside a portion of your income before expenses. Fourth, grasp the power of compound interest. This is where your money makes more money. It's the secret of the wealthy. Lastly, never stop learning. Financial literacy is an ongoing journey. Stay updated, stay informed, and let your money work for you. Thanks for watching Blondino Mindset.